here, we got some cool stuff in from Galeforce. Excuse my voice. I'm been ripping and running. Sent us some shirts. Some cool giveaways and some shirts. And Galeforce is a water-resistant marine full-range loudspeaker for boats, motorcycles, but also car audio. I've been told it's super, super loud. We got them in stock. We are wholesaling them, so dealers, welcome. And obviously, it'll be up on our website by the end of today. This is a 4-ohm hybrid. As you can see here, really cool specs. RMS and max power ratings right there. And this thing's pretty beefy and heavy. Carbon fiber, beautiful surround. Let me, oh, this is nice. Little gold-plated terminals, cool spider. Really cool Neo, as you can see. Nice, strong for the speaker terms. And this is 4-ohm. I do want to tell you that this thing is like a brick shithouse. This is the 6.5 inch. Really cool. This thing is supposed to be super, super loud. And we are the newest authorized online seller and also distributor for Galeforce. So take a look. We'll be putting this up online. If you're in need of a really loud speaker, this is it. Doesn't even have to be outdoor, but this can go anywhere. Under the car, in the car, around the car. This could go also in the grill, your motorcycle. This does have a 6-inch and 8-inch version. They are sold singular, so you need to buy 2 or more. I'm going to flip this back around. Again, excuse my voice. There's the specs. Really amazing speaker. It's strong. I mean, it just feels solid. Very good quality. So check it out on our site. Would you be for a Harley build? Yeah, 100%. These would go great in the Harley. They do have a 6-inch and an 8-inch version. So I'm just doing a quick live. It's Friday. Ben is actually shooting some film right now that we'll edit. I'm doing it in my office. We got a lot going on with the race car. You just saw the Solo X's from Kicker are back, where the first one's with it. So hit us up if you're interested. And we might even be doing a huge giveaway with those, but not sure yet. So we got a lot going on, but here's one of the newest things. We are a new Galeforce authorized dealer, online seller, and distributor. So definitely hit us up, 737-BIG-JEFF, or go to bigjeffaudio.com. Or if you're a potential dealer, go to bigjeffaudiodealer.com and sign up. Maybe you should build my road glide. James Joseph, yeah, you can build a road glide. Send me the money, we'll send you the product. No, we're actually going to be doing a giveaway coming up. Galeforce was awesome to throw a couple extra for us to do a giveaway. I'm not sure if we're going to do it next week or we're going to do it at the race. So make sure you stay tuned to here in our YouTube page. But we will be giving away to help promote this new Galeforce audio product. So awesome stuff. I'm excited. Can't wait to hear it. I'm going to play with it later. All right, I'm going to sign off. This is Big Jeff. Not feeling so well, but keep doing what I got to do. And I'll hit you guys up later. Love y'all.